Hello everyone, you're welcome once more to NEPH. I'm your tutor Mr. Bukia here. New to the channel, you're highly welcome. Do well to subscribe to the channel and share the link of the channel to some students that it is going to be of help to that he or she wants to improve our skills in matrix. Alright, so today we have a problem on the board. Find what's the determinant of this matrix. Okay, whenever you see straight lines like this, it means what determinant. And what matrix is this? We have what? This is 3 rows and what? 3 what column. So we have this as 3 by what? 3 matrix. Okay. But today we are going to apply a different approach by what? Joseph Sarrus. Joseph Sarrus method is so that you want to what? Find the what? Downward. Okay. Entries minus what? Minus the upward entries. So what do I mean by the downward entries minus the upward entries? The first you want to do is this is what our C1, right? So you want to reproduce all this here. So we still have C1 as I have 0, I have 1, and I have 0. All this comes here. Now the next thing you want to do is you want to produce what? C2, column 2 here. So we have C2 as what? 3. So we have 7 and we have 5. Okay. Now having done that, it becomes actually easier for me to get what? The downward entry minus the upward entry. Now for downward, we are going to start with this. So we're coming this way. Okay. You have to move 3 times. Okay. So that gives us our downward entry diagonally 1, 2, 3. Okay. All we need to do is we are going to multiply the 3 numbers connecting, the arrows. So we have 0 times 7 times 4, so 0 times 7 times 4. 0 times 7 is 0 times 4 is 0, plus, now we're going to do the next one, 3 times 8 times 0, so 3 times 8 times 0, that will give us another 0, okay, plus 3 times 8 is 24, 24 times 0 is 0, plus, now we're left with 2 times 1 times 5, so 2 times 1 times 5. 2 times 1 is 2, times 5 is what? So we have that as 10. So minus, okay? So now that we have gotten the what? We have gotten the downward entries, we are also going to do for the what? Upward entries. Now for the upward entries, we are going to move this way. So we're going to go like this. You start from this, then you move like this, and lastly you move like this. Okay, that is for the what? Upward entry. So the arrows are going upward. Okay, 3 times. So let's do that. Now let's multiply all the numbers 0 times 7 times 2. So we have 0 times 7 times 2. That will give us another 0 plus, okay, because 0 times 7 is 0 times 2 is what? 0. Now 5 times 8 times 0, so I have 5 times 8 times 0. That's going to give us another 0, because 5 times 8 is 40. 40 times 0 is what? 0. Plus, lastly, we have 4 times 1 times what? 4 times 1 times 3. So that's going to give us what? 12. Because 4 times 1 is what? 4. And then 4 times 3 is going to give us what? 12. Right, now that we've gotten the entries, we can now get our answer. 0 plus 0 is 0. Plus 10 is going to give us 10. Minus what? 0 plus 0 is going to give us 0. Plus 12 is going to give us 12. Now 10 minus 12 is going to give us what? Minus what? 2. So this gives us a simple solution to what? A determinant of this matrix using Joseph Sarrus what? Method. Alright guys, thank you guys for watching the video. Hit the like button, leave a comment or two, and share this video to somebody that needs to improve his skill in matrix. I will see you guys in my next one. Take care. Bye.